Are you looking for a simple and useful tool for your whiteboard? Whether it's for school, office, or home study, a good whiteboard duster with marker pen can make your work much easier. Today we are looking at this magnetic whiteboard duster with marker pen. This is a very practical tool for teachers, students, and office professionals who use whiteboards regularly. This product comes with a whiteboard marker and a magnetic duster. The marker helps you write clearly on the board, while the duster easily removes the writing without leaving marks. The magnetic design allows you to attach it directly to the whiteboard, so it's always within reach. The duster material is soft but effective, making it easy to clean the board quickly. You can use this in classrooms for teaching, in offices for meetings and presentations, or at home for studying and planning daily tasks. It is lightweight, easy to carry, and very convenient for everyday use. So if you're looking for a simple whiteboard accessory that helps you write and clean easily, this duster with marker pen is definitely a useful option. If you want this product, comment link and check the pinned comment for the product link.